your water heater, tank or tankless, is going to last anywhere from 8 to about 20 years. Now, if it's a traditional water tank, it's probably going to last in that 8 to 15-year period, 15 at the most. Um, it can last up to 20 if it's a tankless water heater, so keep that in mind. Now, you also want to know, well, how old is mine? You have to know the year you bought it. And a lot of people forget, they don't write it down, and they don't know how to figure that out. But it's really easy. You just go to the labels that are always on your water heater and find the serial number. That serial number will allow you to be able to find the date and age of that water heater.